Okay, we got little Gidget here. Little Gidget, she's some kind of a terrier mix. She's like a light tan. She's got some white on her chest and on her, she does put her ears up on her toes. She's very cute. She's really cute. I'd say she's about at least 15 pounds. Yeah. About 15 pounder. Pretty young, maybe a couple years old. Oh, no, we thought maybe she was about a year.
About a year.
Yeah, so she's still a puppy.
She's got some pearly whites.
Yeah, she has pearly white teeth. So she's still pretty much a puppy. She is definitely a high energy dog. Very friendly, very sweet, but has lots of energy. So she really needs a fenced in yard where she can kind of run around and burn off some of that energy. She can run and play. Right, wouldn't you like that? You like the toy? You like the toy? You want to get it? You want it? You want it? Huh? Little Gidget? Little Gidget girl? Little Gidget girl? She's such a happy dog. She's so full of life. She's so full of life and fun. She's very fun. But you definitely have to know she is very active, lots of energy, but just so sweet and friendly. And you know, she's been in a cage because we had to wait to make sure she wasn't claimed for a week. And then it's been another week since I've gotten her video. So she's been, you know, cooped up for about 2 weeks in a small kennel. So I think once she can have a place to play, come here, and run around, and she'll probably calm down a little bit. Hey, yeah, little Gidget. And she's okay with certain dogs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'd say no cats because whenever she sees the cats, she kind of wants to chase them. I don't think she wants to hurt them, she just wants to chase them. So no cats. And if you have a dog, you'll have to bring your dog to meet her. Because she's great with some dogs and some dogs she just doesn't like. So we don't know. She's particular. She's a little princess. Okay. So she's definitely a lap dog.
Yes.
So we're going to finish up Gidget's video. So you got to come meet her. She's just a very friendly, fun, outgoing dog. You'll just fall in love with her when you meet her. You will. You will. She's pretty too. And she's a pretty girl. Yes, she is. She likes to run around and play and have fun.
She does.
Okay, thanks for watching.